In this chapter, we are going to learn about text content in HTML, where we will discuss about headings, paragraphs, formatting tags, and also pre-formatted text. So let's start with the heading. In HTML, if you want to write an heading, we will start with H1. For example, we will write in here main text. Now, let's say, as you guys will see in here, it show in large text than our text. We have 6 types of H tags: H1, H2 up to H6. For example, this one would be H2, and we will say subtitles. Now we'll save it. Now the H2 is smaller than the H1. Similarly, if we type another H1, H3, and in here we will type subsection title and save. Now you guys can see it's getting more smaller. And also if I type another H4 for text, it will be small. So we are up to 6 H tags in HTML. So H5, this is H5, and let's add one more H6 and type here H6. Let's save all of them. Now as you guys can see, the first one is big, then small, small, and to H6 that got way smaller. After that, we have a paragraph tag which starts with P tag, and in here we can write a paragraph. For example, this is a paragraph. Let's save. Now we got our text in here. We can also add a horizontal line by just typing HR. Now let's save this also. Now we got our line in here as well. Similarly, we can type another paragraph in here. This is the second paragraph. Save. We got our second paragraph as well. Remember that we can also use one tag inside another tag in HTML also. For example, in here, if I type like this, P, and this is the first line of paragraph, and click save. Now my paragraph display here, and also I can add a break tag in here. So if I type BR, enter, and write another text, this is the second line. Now save. As you guys can see in here, in HTML, I wrote all of them in a single line, but in the browser, it displays as a 2 lines. The reason is because we use in here BR. The BR used to separate the line or break the line.